This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPad so it can behave like a Mac. Enable the dock in Settings, right arrow Home Screen and Dock, and set it to show recent apps. This mimics macOS Quick Access. Pick a desktop-style wallpaper cropped to 16, 9 or 4, 3 to match window framing, and enable multitasking gestures and pointer support so dragging and precision resemble a trackpad. Once done, position the dock and test the cursor. These steps establish the foundation before we layer on icons, widgets, and window controls. Now you convert the interface. Replace icons using the Shortcuts app to create custom rounded square PNGs that match macOS styling. This gives a unified dock look. Enable Stage Manager to allow overlapping, resizable windows, drag corners to mimic macOS window resizing, and snap edges to replicate desktop tiling. Install a Finder-style file manager and switch to column view so file navigation feels native. Make sure to name custom icons clearly. Consistent labeling makes the experience coherent as you continue to refine visuals and behavior. Finish by adding a faux menu bar and system indicators. Place slim widgets for clock, battery, and network at the top via Widgetsmith or the Notification Center to emulate a Mac OS menu bar. Configure external keyboard shortcuts and map keys so Command+C, Command+V, and Command+Tab behave like on a Mac. Once polished, test workflows. If something breaks, reset the home screen layout or temporarily disable Stage Manager. If issues persist, restart your iPad. That basic troubleshooting clears layout conflicts and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.